Dear friends, in this video, I'd like to make a short recap about SMB, Surface Enumeration. SMB stands for Server Message Block Protocol, which can be used to share access to files, printers, or other resources on a network. For Pentester, SMB sometimes is gold mine, even contains a low-hanging fruit. Okay, so I think to enumerate SMB service is a very important step during the stage of the enumeration. And this video, I'd like to show you the different techniques for such enumeration. So without further ado, let's take canonics and the Metasploit 2 as a victim to make real demonstration. Okay, so now we can switch into the canonics. As you can see, I've already completed the map scanning for the target, the Metasploit 2. As you can see here, these 139 and 445 normally are used by the Samba surface. So what we are going to do then next, the first utility I'd like to use to enumerate SMB service would be SMB client. And we can use the uppercase L and specify the IP address of a target. Press enter. We can provide our own password. As you can see, we can get the information about the shares by the target and like OPT, temp. So very important information. Then we can, we can go to this such share to see whether we have permission to navigate into. Even we need to see whether we have permission to write file or copy files onto this share. For example, we can use the same utility, the slash and the slash, and followed by the IP address of the Metasploit 2 and the OPT. Okay, and we can, as you can see, we got this error, NT status access denied. I think this means it's required authentication before we can access this shell. Okay, so also the temp, we can take a look at this. As you can see, now we are in the target temp directory. Okay, so very important. And I like to exit. So just now I utilize the first method or technique is SMB client. And another also very important technique is enum for Linux. And we can follow by the IP address of the target. Press enter. And this utility can enumerate out very rich information. But for me, the most important piece, it would be the username or the possible usernames. For example, we can scroll up to see whether we can find such username information. We can scroll down. As you can see here, we got the username MSF Vellum. Okay, and also this utility also can give us the shares information. Okay, so the second technique would be enum for Linux. Next, I sometimes, in most cases, I just use this technique to enumerate the SMB surface. However, some case we can use other tools. For example, the map. We can list file, user, share, map, scripts, and we can creep out the SMB. And you can use the script scanning option. For example, we can use a map and script SMB and use the asterisk to include all of scripts or available scripts for the sandbar surface. And then we can specify the target, IP address, so next utility or possible utility would be a map with the script scanning option. Okay, I think it will take a bit long time because this command will run all available scripts against the sandbar surface. Anyway, just now I have already shown you how to use these three techniques to enumerate sandbar surface. And that's all I'd like to do in this video. Bye. Have a nice day.